Welcome back, you guys. Got another video for you and another bowling ball to shoot. So today we're gonna shoot the Hammer Vibe, cobalt blue Vibe. One of my favorite balls I've actually ever had. It was a great ball for a long time, but you know, things get replaced. So we're gonna shoot it with my 18-inch 223 Wylde barrel, Hanson profile, Ballistic Advantage. And we're shooting it with the Hornady 55 grain M193 and 5.56. I'm assuming this should be a little better than the 11.3 inch barrel. A lot more power and velocity going down there to take care of this ball. Let's get after it. A little bit of damage. Whoa, there it goes. That was a big chunk. There we go, open her up a little. Bam. Well, again, not as powerful as that 300 blackout. That, wow, cleaned it up pretty good. Not a whole lot left. I'm shooting some of the little extra pieces left over. I don't know if anyone could see that or if that was on camera or not, but. Actually, now that this one's all blown up, looks like it had a lot smaller core in their bowling ball, which is kind of interesting than the other bowling balls. Cool. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. God bless. And remember, sparing is caring.